What are you doing? What are you doing?
Sit down, Dad!
Okay, gonna do a quick build, putting together one of these Tenkara rods like I was doing in there. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to turn this string on the end of here into an actual loop that I can tie fishing line to in a more traditional manner. Well, traditional here in the West. I know they do it differently in Japan, but that's okay. We don't have to do everything. So I'm just doing a simple overhand knot, and I want that overhand knot to be right at about the base of this line to where, yeah, there it is. It's right at the base here. And then I'm going to do a second overhand knot at the top. You might be wondering why just overhand knots, and I'll show you in a second. Actually, I'm going to put on the light here. There we go. So it is actually not the easiest thing doing a knot when you have big fingers. There we go. And you can see I'm gently doing that second overhand, so I've got plenty of string in the middle between these two knots to work with, because they're going to go over back on themselves. And what we are going to do is we are going to place this such that this knot goes below the other one, so that when we put shrink tubing on and we shrink it into place, we get that loop there. So this is the right size of shrink tubing. Let's see if I can just push that right on there. There we go. Push this down. Okay. It's through, so we'll back that up. There we go. Oh. Lost it. This is tricky. Come on, let's do that again. This might take a couple tries to get it right, but that's okay. Okay. Alright, there we go. So inside that tubing, the lower knot is, I'm sorry, the knot that's at the end of the string is below the knot that's at the base, so when this shrinks down, it'll lock up together. Now, I need to protect this string because this string is very susceptible to heat, possibly even more so than the shrink tubing itself. So I'm just going to use a little Zippo as my heat source. There we go. So now that I got a little bit of heat source from my Zippo, I'm going to cover this with my fingers so I can protect it. Ouch! Got me. But I think we have success. Look at that. I might toss a little glue down in there just to make sure that that's right. One more pass. Perfect. All right. And my thread at the top is still good. So we have a permanent loop there. And so I can tie on my fishing line to this and we're just fine. I have a little gap in the top there. I'm going to just drop a little bit of super glue down in there and let that permanently be fixed. But what's nice is I can still close this thing. Oh, I can use it quickly. Still close this thing up. Still works in terms of everything that the Tenkara rod is supposed to do. But now I've got a convenient loop on there to tie a line to.